Hi everyone. Since today we will learn how you can go back to previous page on button click using JavaScript. So let's get started. Let's have basic HTML structure here. Link to a style sheet. Here we need one div element, one h1 element. Let's make it home page. We need two anchor elements. So it will link to page1.html. Just copy and paste it. Make it page 2. Same goes here. Save it. Now we need two pages. So it will be page1.html and this will be page2.html. Let's have basic HTML structure here. Same process, link to a style sheet. Now just copy this, paste it here, make it page 1, and here we'll have a button. Text will be go back. Save it. I just copy this, paste in the page 2, make it page 2 here. Also we need a script tag at the bottom, so it will be script.js, copy and paste in the page 2. In the style sheet, simply select the body element and text align will be center. Save it. Now open this file in the browser, click on page 1. You can see we are getting page 1 here. Click on page 2, we are getting page 2, but we have to make this button go back so that it should go to home page here. Okay, let's go to JavaScript file, select the button element, so let's make it btn back. Add event listener to the button, which is click. There is the handler function. Now here we'll make use of window object. There is a history property and there is a method back. Okay, that's all what you need. Now just save it, go to browser, click on page 1. Now click on this button. You can see we are getting back to home page. Click on page 2, click on the button, and it's working absolutely fine. So that's it. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.